down, just chill out. You'll get it. First fret. Hey there, what is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing totally awesome today. So that right there is Peace Train by Cat Stevens, one of two, super fun songs to play on an acoustic guitar, especially just strumming, getting your rhythm and your timing down. I'm going to show you that one plus Wild World. It's got like 8 chords in it, but it's very chill, including some really cool notes like this. Not as hard as you think. I'm going to make it easy. That's what I always do. So let's just get right to the lesson. So let's start off with Peace Train in C major. C major, and it really does the same chords throughout the whole thing, just different dynamics, sort of chill at certain moments and, emphasizes harder at other times. So C major, G major, C major, F major, C major, F major, F major, G major, A minor, F major, G, F major. And again, the beginning part sort of chill like this. C, G, C, F, G, F, F, G, A minor, F, G, F. On the edge of time. So give it some pop sometimes like that. C major, So that one right there, again, it's just the same chords over and over again. If you listen to the song though, it has these moments where it just surges up, all the vocalists come in, and it's very cool. All right, let's do Wild World. This one's a little bit trickier, but still, not too bad. So start off in A minor and go to a D7. A D7 is basically a D major where you take that second string, 3rd fret right there, the B string, and go down right here to the 1st fret. So G, C major, F major, D minor, E7. E7 as an E7th is an E major where you take that 2nd fret of the D string and hit the open D string. So, all right, all the chords one more time. A minor, D7, G, C major, F major, D minor, E major or E7, G major right there. And that's where it goes like this. That one, I promise you, it's not that hard. It goes like this. Open G string and open B string. Do that, like that. Now take this finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the D string, and you're still hitting the open G and B strings. Doesn't that sound pretty amazing for only hitting one note? So it's, and take that down 1 fret, like that. That's the 2nd fret of the D string, and then open D string, open G, open B. See, I told you it was easy. C major, ooh, baby, baby. G major, it's a wild world. F major, I'll show you that cool lick in a second. G, F, C, G, again. C major, baby, G major, it's a wild world. F major, G major, F major, C major, and then it goes to transition back into the verse, D minor, E7th, and then it starts over again at A minor. But let me show you that cool lick, and it goes, okay, not that hard. If you just slow down, just chill out, you'll get it. 1st fret of the B string, open B, 2nd fret of the G, open G, and take this finger, put on the 3rd fret of the D. We were just here a second ago. 2nd fret, open D, 3rd fret of the A string. So, and if you do it fast and then go right into a G major, get that little offbeat thing going. F major, C major, D minor, E7, A minor, D, G. I thought that was a blast to play. They're super fun and positive, and those licks are challenging, but once you get them down, they're, rewarding. You'll feel really good about learning them right there. I'd love to hear how you do in the comments. Give me some more suggestions for videos. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you around. See ya.